My name is Stephanie and I am a 5th year food science co-op student currently finishing up a placement at Parados Canada. At Parados, I essentially help develop the food products you would see at the grocery store, so we'll have really interesting products like developing a new flavored cake or a clean label cake solution. We'll come up with recipes using our technology and we'll do some testing in the bakery. After baking, we will evaluate the cake, take some measurements, and then of course taste the cake. I've done some projects with over 1,000 different cupcakes, which I got to test and try every one of them. The majority of my time is in the bakery. I'm always doing test baking. I'm running different experiments just to see what different ingredients do in cakes in order to create the delicious cake you see in grocery stores. In order to help make products a success, we have to take some measurements in order to compare different tests. For example, one of my favorite equipments is the texture analyzer because it mimics a mouth in order to see how much force it takes to compress a piece of bread or a piece of cake, and this gives us an idea about how consumers would perceive our product. I love food product development because you're essentially getting paid to play with food. You're always surrounded by people who are passionate about food and you really get to be creative. You never go hungry. There's always a lot of projects happening, so you get to try all different types of foods, and if anything, you can always eat your experiment. Why I like the co-op program is that it gives you real work experience and it really showed me where my passions lie. It's also a really great tool in order to make new connections, and it really helps you find a job after employment because in fact 6 out of the 7 people in research and development at Parados are from the University of Guelph.